Friends, thanks for opening up the video. And you know, Subaru is always on the cutting edge. And if you own a Subaru or you've been looking at the website, you already know that. But Tyler, tell us about the latest.
All right, well, we have the new 19 Ascent. Will be here in July, and they've made one new change to it. You can actually start your car, heat your seats, cool your seats from your cell phone.
Oh, I like that.
Incredible, incredible. So you don't even need a key to get your day started.
You've come to expect the latest and greatest as far as technological advances in the Subaru, and they're not going to disappoint you. Get in line and get the new Subaru Ascent. You can order one here at 373-2700 or at SubaruMemphis.com and get these great features that go along with all of the Subarus.